Example number 4, now we're going to go ahead and square, or using the power rule again, but we're going to be squaring another binomial and just doing more of what we did last example. Okay, so first of all, since the radical is already isolated, we can go ahead and square both sides right now. So I'm going to square the left side, and I'm going to square the right side. Okay, so make sure you put the right side in parentheses because you're squaring the whole thing, x plus 3, not just the x or the 3. Okay, so the square root and the square are opposite operations, so those guys cancel each other out. And I have x squared minus 3x plus 18. Now we have to go ahead and square this guy. So we can do that on the side of our paper, x plus 3 times x plus 3. Doing the FOIL method, okay, our first term, I get x squared. And we do our outside term, I get plus 3x. Then I do the inside term, I get 3x. And then I do the last term, I get plus 9. And our middle terms, we can combine together, 3x plus 3x. So I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so I could go ahead and I can replace this whole thing with x squared plus 6x plus 9. All right, so we're trying to solve for x, right? So we need to just, we need to solve for x. And if you can see this here, the x squared terms are going to cancel out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put my x terms on the right side. I mean, it doesn't matter what side that you put them on. And I'm going to put my terms on the left. It does not matter what side you put the x terms and the numbers. We're going to get the same answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and subtract x squared from both sides. So those are gone. Those are gone. So I have negative 3x plus 18 equals a 6x plus 9. All right. And I'm just going to put my x's on the right side. And, you know, you don't have to. You could put them on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3x. Add 3x. So those guys disappear. And I get 18 equals 9x plus 9. And then I'm going to go ahead and move my 9 to the left side by subtracting 9. So I get 9 equals 9x, which then implies that x equals 1. Okay, so the answer is 1 supposedly. But is that really the correct answer? Well, there's only one way to find out. We have to check your answer. So let's go ahead and check our answer here. I'm going to replace all the x's up here with 1. So is it true or false? Is 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 18, is that equal to 1 plus 3? Right? So all I did was I replaced all the x values with 1. Is this true or false? Okay, that's the question right there. Is it true or false? All right. So let's see, 1 squared is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And that's plus 18. And this all has a square root. This is 4. Well, 1 minus 3 is a negative 2, right? So 1 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 is a radical 6 equals 4, right? 1 minus 3 is a negative 2. Negative 2 plus a 6. And as you can see here, radical 6 is not equal to 4. So when they are not the same, then what do we say? The answer is nada, nothing. There is no answer, or we say the empty set. So we would put a line through a 0, which means that there is no answer. You can try all day long. You're not going to find a solution to this problem.